Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix FiveM is not opening or launching if you have NVIDIA GPU. So this is really a common issue and I fixed this and I will show you how you can fix it too. First of all, you need to open up NVIDIA app, then go to settings and then go to NVIDIA overlay and make sure overlay is enabled. As you can see here, I need to press Alt+Z to enable overlay. Right? Then what you need to do here is to launch FiveM and then press, after you launch it, you just need to press quickly NVIDIA overlay, which is Alt-Z, and I will show you what you need to do next. So open up FiveM, then you need to press Alt+Z and go to game filters. Then as you can see here, currently it's not profiles is grayed out, but you need to press again and until you see 1 or 2 or 3 here, and then you just need to press and select none and just basically disable game filters. And after you select none, then you just need to reopen FiveM and it should fix your problem. So try it and let me know in the comments if it worked for you or not.